All right, evening everybody. Quick little update. I worked for about 4 hours today on this. I put all the bolts that I wanted in these ECMs, and I got one or two that's got an issue. I think I put the wrong caps on, so they have a clearance issue, so I got to sort that out. But other than that, I'm good. And even if I can't sort it out, I've got probably 6 extra ECMs that I could use. But anyway, so I got my templates pre-drilled with 1/4 inch holes. I kept stepping it up to make it easy on myself, and then I used a step bit out from here because my 1/4 inch part's broken. But I should have cut those off. I probably still should because I've got a cordless grinder here. I'm not going to do it tonight, but yeah, I probably cut them off, leave a little bit for a lock washer, and then cut it off. I just wanted to fit it because I had to oversize the holes a little bit for these to fit because the covers sometimes are a little bit of an angle, but nice and smooth. I didn't have to open that center hole up any. We're good there. Rock freaking solid, man. And yeah, it's coming right along. I did a lot of drilling, man. I had to use a vacuum and broom like 6 times because I drilled all the ECM caps, and then I drilled one side of all of these pre-pilot drill for my step bits. My neighbors upstairs are probably ready to kill me on that step bit because it's loud, it squeals. So even with oil, it just squeals a little bit. Anyway, wanted to show you all that. I'm going to try to get as much done as possible the next few days and see if I can get the vast majority of these on, at least get the main drive going on down here. I got to drill those, get my pillow block set, and then start putting the chain on. I got to get at least the bottom one on down there, the bottom two, and bridge them with my good aluminum coupler, and then that's going to be the main drive on one side, and then the other side of the main drive is going to be the 35 chain that's chaining all 6 of one side together, and then they're going to be coupled to the one straight across from them. It'll make more sense when they're all together. I'm sure most of you understood what I just said, but don't worry, pictures are worth 1,000 words. So yep, so whole pattern. I just had to kind of pick which ones I wanted to wear. The little white ones I'm putting right here because that's the 3. That's the this little white one right here. Actually puts out a decent amount. And I actually had a couple of shape field rotors. I didn't know until I opened them up. I didn't know exactly what I had here until I started opening them. Anyway, hope you'll have a good evening. I'm going to be live, by the way, with Faraday Research Channel. This Friday evening, for me, Central Time, it'll be starting around 8 o'clock. So, y'all interested in that, you can check that out. He's got a pretty interesting channel, so it'll be a fun live. Okay, 3 minutes. Peace.